Welcome, today I'm showing how to change icon shape into a Vivo Y76 5G. First of all, open your Play Store and in search write X icon changer application. This one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now click open. Next, close ads. And now from the list choose your icon. Maybe YouTube will be nice. Okay, choose your application, and now from the icon of library of our icon, choose your new icon. Maybe this one, like YouTube and other. So okay, in the top right corner we got OK button, so tap it for saving this icon and wait a second for generating, and then close ads a few times, and now need click add automatically. And we got success message, so go our home screen, and here we got new YouTube icon. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.